Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore your Google Sheet to previous version. So let's say you want to get the previous or past data or past version of your data. You can always do it by clicking on this option, which is version history. So let's say you want to, so this is the first version is April 16th version, and then I have multiple versions available. Let's say I want March 19 version, so just click on it. So when you click on it, it says, it gives you what was there on that particular date. So if you want to restore, then you can click on this restore this version, so this piece of version will be restored. Or else if you don't want to make changes directly onto the sheet, you can take a copy of this version, click on make a copy, and then click on make a copy. So the original sheet will remain same, but the copy of it will be available, so you can always check what was there in that particular rows or columns, so you can access the dump. So now if I go to this column, so this was dump was available at this time, 2:48 a.m. on March 29th. So you can always do it, or else if you want to restore, you can always click on this option and you can restore it. So you can go back from here and then your actual sheet will be available. So this is how you can restore your sheet and also make a copy of it. Thank you so much for watching.